every Nigerian, I say congratulations for 25 years of unbroken democracy. Out of respect, I come to say thank you very much for building to this stage, building the institution, building the country. You are the first and foremost leaders that speak for our people. You have been in the forefront of this struggle.
Mr. President, without interruption, the members have asked me to tell you, please sit while they are speaking in chambers.
Thank you very much. This institution, the Hallowed Chamber, represents our consciousness for freedom and sense of belonging. You rang out the latest national anthem. Nigeria. See, this is our diversity. Representing all characters. Together to be brothers and sisters. Without this out, probably I may not find a path to the presidency. I started all there. And that is why I've given that respect this morning to you to please continue to collaborate, work together, build our country. We have no other choice. It is our nation. No one, no age, no other institution or personality will help us except we do it ourselves. No amount of aid that may be coming from foreign countries or any other nation, they take care of themselves first. Let us work together, as we are doing, to build our nation. Not only for us, but for generations yet unborn. Charting a new path. The question of program for development. I submitted the last budget. You expeditiously passed it. We are walking the talk. I will soon bring year 2024 appropriation bill. That is just for your information. But we must nourish this democracy, build this nation, so that the future of our great grandchildren will be sure of prosperity, development, and progress. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. President.